Hi, this is Jeff Cate with SharePoint Solutions. I want to tell you about our course, Exploring SharePoint 2010 New Features. This is a two-day class, and we designed it to be applicable to two groups of students. First, power users that have significant experience with MOS 2007 or WSS 3.0 will find that this course is exactly what they need to understand the new features they can start using in SharePoint 2010. Second, IT professionals that have significant experience with MOS 2007 or WSS 3.0 will find that this course will be very helpful to them as they try to get a handle on the new features that will be available to their users in SharePoint 2010. In this course, we give you hands-on experience with all the major new application features of SharePoint 2010. On the first day, we present a day in the life of the end user and cover the changes to the SharePoint 2010 user interface, which are substantial. We also cover enhancements to lists and document management, including specific new features such as managed metadata, document sets, and unique document IDs. From there, we move on to the new Office web apps, which are the Office programs running in the browser. And then we cover the exciting new social computing features that have been woven throughout the product. Finally, we end a day in the life of an end user with the brand new SharePoint Workspace client software, which is designed to be the premier way of taking a SharePoint site offline. We refer to day 2 of the course as a day in the life of a power user, and we dive into some of the new tools that the power users can use to develop business applications with no code. We start with Visio Services, which is an exciting new way to develop visually appropriate dashboards in SharePoint that are tied to back-end data. Then we cover Access Services, which helps IT get its hands around the proliferation of Access database applications in the enterprise by giving users the capability to publish those databases to SharePoint and interact with them in the browser. SharePoint Designer is all new in SharePoint 2010 and is a tool no power user can do without. We cover the many enhancements to it and have the student complete a very interesting lab using SharePoint Swiss Army knife web part, the data view web part. From there, we move on to Business Connectivity Services, which is the new and improved successor to the Business Data Catalog feature of MOS 2007. The last part of the day is very much about InfoPath, form services, and SharePoint Designer workflows. The forms and workflow capabilities of SharePoint 2007 was one of the biggest home runs of the product, and the enhancements in these areas in 2010 do not disappoint. It's a fast-paced, content-rich 2 days, but it's right on target for a power user or IT pro who needs to get up to speed quickly on the new features in SharePoint 2010. I hope I see you at a class soon.